Hello students. You never count the number of times you fall. You simply count the number of times you get up. And that's what matters most. Isn't it? This is a beautiful quote. With this beautiful quote, I welcome all my students to Bio-Digest. All these are beautiful flowers, isn't it? So flowers are always beautiful. Either the yellow one or the white one or maybe the red one. So how are you able to enjoy the different colors of flowers? It's actually because of your eyes, isn't it? So in this chapter, you are going to learn the structure of the eye. But before going into the details of the eye, let us see some other parts that are associated with eye. Okay, so where are these eyes located? The location of the eye, that is a question that can come for the board exam. Where are the eyes located? The eyes are located in deep sockets or orbits on the front side of the head. So where are the eyes located? The eyes are located in deep sockets or orbits on the front side of the head. Okay, that is the location of the eye. So this is location. Now, you can see that there is an upper and a lower movable eyelid. Okay, so that is another structure that is associated with eye. Movable eyelids. I am just drawing a normal eye. Okay, so this is a normal eye. So this is the upper eyelid. And this is the lower one. Okay, upper and lower movable eyelid. What is the function of the upper and lower movable eyelids? It's actually used to close your eyes, isn't it? Not only that, it will shut out light. Imagine that someone is pointing torchlight towards your eyes. What will happen? If you are irritated, you will be closing your eyes. So how is that made possible? It is actually with the help of this movable eyelids, the upper and the lower eyelids. So it's actually used for closing the eyes as well as to shut out light. Okay? Now, associated with this, you can see eyelashes. Okay? All these are tiny hairs are present. I am showing like this. These are what is known as the eyelashes. Okay, so this is the eye. What is the function of eyelashes or the hairs that are present on the movable eyelids? What is the function of these eyelashes? It is the eyelashes that will be preventing the entry of the dust particles from entering into the eye. Okay, that is the function of eyelashes. Now comes the eyebrows. Okay, so this is what is known as eyebrow. Even though it is not having any connection, but even then we are supposed to learn the function of that also. What is the function of eyebrow? Okay, this is a normal eyebrow. So I am labeling that eyebrow. What is the function of this eyebrows? So again you can see here, that is eyebrows. What is its function? So the main function of eyebrow is to prevent the trickling perspiration from entering into your eyes. When you are sweating a lot, that sweat, the droplets will be trickling down. So it is actually this eyebrows that will be preventing the trickling of the sweat into the eyes. Not only that, when you are standing in the raindrops also can enter into the eyes. So it is the same eyebrows that will be preventing the entry of raindrops getting inside your eyes. So that is the function of this eyebrow. Now coming to another thing. So this is the normal structure of an eye. Okay, I'm showing like this. So this is a normal eye. Now one more thing is there that is associated to the eye. What is that? Now you might have understood what it is. Yes, of course. What is this? These are the tears, isn't it? So the tears are actually produced by a gland that is present. Okay, on the sideward portion of this orbit. So here there is one gland located. This gland is what is called as tear gland, otherwise called as lacrimal gland. So I told you what is the secretion of the tear gland. You know that glands means it will be producing some secretions. So what is the secretion produced by the tear gland or the lacrimal gland? It is actually producing the tears. So what are the functions of the tears? Do you think that tears carry out certain functions? Yes, of course. They are having definitely some functions to perform in your body. Let us see that. What are the functions of the tears? First thing is that it will communicate emotion, isn't it? When tears are coming out, you can understand that the person is actually feeling sad. Or maybe when the tears are coming out, either the person will be too much excited or happy. At that time also tears will be coming out. So it's actually communicating emotions. Okay, that is one function of tears. What is the another function that is carried out by the tears? It will lubricate the eye. Just touch inside your eye, okay, lightly. You can feel some wetness. Always the eyes are moist. So that means it is the tears that is lubricating the eye. Another is, sometimes some dust particles will enter into your eyes. What will happen? You will be of course feeling some irritation. At the same time, these tears will be coming out. What is the purpose of producing too much tears at that time? It's actually a method of our body to get rid of this dust particles that has entered inside our eyes. So too much tears will be produced. Along with the tears, sometimes that entered dust particle also will be leaving out from your eyes. So it washes away the dust particles. That is the third function. Another is, when you are having certain eye infections, you can see that always the eyes will be watery. That means always tears will be produced. What is the function? Why? Because the tears are having one enzyme called as lysozyme. This lysozyme enzyme is having one antiseptic property. Okay, thereby it is actually able to kill the microorganisms that are present within the eye, like bacteria and all. Okay, so that is the function of lysozyme enzyme. It contains a lysozyme enzyme which is having an antiseptic property. So let us just see what are the functions of the tears. What is the first function? It communicates emotions. Second function, it lubricates the eyes. Third function, it will be washing away the dust particles that has entered inside the eye. Fourth function, it will be killing the germs because it contains an enzyme called as lysozyme, which is having antiseptic property. Okay, so all these structures are actually associated with eye. Let us recall the eyes. Location. The eyes are located in deep sockets or orbits on the front side of the head. Eyelids. The upper and lower movable eyelids protect the front surface of the eyes and can shut out light. Each eyelid carries outwardly curved eyelashes which prevent falling of larger particles into the eye. Eyebrows. Not a part of the eye, yet these are also protective. They prevent the raindrops or the trickling perspiration from getting into the eyes. Tear glands or lacrimal glands. Location. It is located at the upper sideward portion of the orbit. The movements of the eyelids spread the liquid which mainly serves as a lubricant. Functions of the tears. Lubricate the surface of the eye, washes away the dust particles, help in killing germs, and communicate emotions. Please do subscribe to my channel Bio-Digest for more videos. Like and share. Thank you.